The box slot naman. Box slot. Similar with the step with the tango, kagaya yung dip. May dip yan, di ba? May dip. Parehas din siya ng tango, yung dip natin. So, mas madaling yung, makukuha yung steps, yung dip sa box slot at sa tango. Kasi similar lang siya. And then yung steps, tuturo natin. Now, ganito yun. Okay, ganito yun. Basic step nung box slot natin is you step backward. Patras lang kayo. Then you double step. One. Kanina, di ba nagsisiso tayo? Tama?
Yes.
Kung ano yung ginagawa nyo kanina na siso, yun yung gagawin natin dito without the close. Wala ito. Okay, yung weight lang from back to front. Okay? Double lang siya. It's 1 and 2. Okay? Nasa right. Now, start naman tayo with our left. 1 and 2. Nasa left uli ang weight. Okay? Then 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Right? So, move tayo forward. Atras tayo. Ready? Start with your right foot.
Meron ka na next week.
5, 6, 7, go. Straight your upper body. You just move your foot. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, siso. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Now this time, make you twist ninyo yung katawan. Okay? Diagonally. It's 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Ready, siso.
Dito ka tigay mo. Dito ka banda.
Ready?